Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've completed. This journal is made using a new kit that I bought recently this morning from ScreechOwlStudio on Etsy, and I will put a link to this specific kit below because I'm not quite sure of the name of it. But it is a journal kit and it's all based on vintage advertising beauty products, so it's ever so pretty. So I've made a soft cover, and I've also used the Victorian Beauties. Is it Victorian Beauties? Just let me check. Yes, Victorian Beauties. I only got that today as well. Well, I downloaded it today from ARTYmaze, so I will link that below. And I've used these images, are just really pretty, really lovely girly images. And I've used one on the front cover here. You can't really see the print in the back, but it has got like Pears soap and things like that on there. And this, I have used this page within the journal, so you will see it complete when I do the flip through. So I've got this lovely lace here on the spine, and I've got some like cheesecloth in the background. We've got a seam binding bow, just a little snippet there of this lovely lace, this little flower here. It's been sewn around the edges. It measures just over 7.5 by 5.5. There is 82 pages or 84 pages front and back, and this will be listed on my Etsy. Let me see if I can open this without getting in. I always worry about getting in like a fuddle with this. Ta-da! Nearly a note there. Anyway, here we go. Just making sure I'm in frame. So these are the lovely images from the kit. I've made an envelope pocket there, so you can put something in the envelope. Got a doily, a banner, and some crocheted trim. I've just I only made 4 tags to put in this. The rest is all the ephemera pieces from the kit. So these 2 tags there, and the advertisements here, they've all been backed onto coffee dyed paper. And some of them have been backed onto some designer cardstock. So here we've just got a flip, and this was like a full sheet, like a 4 size full sheet, and I just kind of cut all the advertisements out of it, and I've again backed that. I've got a little bit of thread there. I've got a doily and an index card, some music paper, paper bag. So it's been edge punched, some lined paper as normal. My journals are full of places to journal. This was actually one of the pages. It's just like a blank page. I think it was technically made to maybe print on the reverse side of you know, the really embellished pages. But I've just used it as that. This here was on that A4 size page, and I just made a tuck with that, some crocheted trim. This was one of the pages, but I printed it out too big, and I just halved it in 2 and folded it over, so it's now a journal spot. This is one of the girls from ARTYmaze. It's one of the sheets from the kit. It's really pretty. I've made a pocket with one of the ephemera pieces, just backed onto coffee dyed papers. This is from ARTYmaze. A doily. This is one of the pages from the kit. I've just done some stenciling on there. Here I just made a pocket. This was from the kit, so I just cut that out. Then I used a scallop circle die cut and just backed it onto that, so it's a little bit more sturdy. Some more ephemera from the kit, and this is from ARTYmaze. They're so pretty. centre of the signature, and we've just got some hearts on a string here. Done some stamping as well. Another pocket, another ephemera piece, rose cold cream, and this is from ARTYmaze. Music sheet, index card, doily, another pocket here. These are all, it's all kind of double stitched on the pockets there. Some ephemera from the kit. Just a little piece from the A4 size that I chopped up. It's from ARTYmaze. Used the kind of, I don't know what, it's not coffee dyed, it's just like a beigey coloured page from the kit, and I made this large pocket, and I did have to do a join because I did want a large pocket because I wanted to use this image from the kit, so I didn't have enough space, so I just patched it up. So we've got a large pocket there, doily, some trim, and this is from ARTYmaze. Like I said, lots of places to journal. And here we've got some more ephemera pieces, and this is from the kit. This is ARTYmaze, and that's the other piece of that large bit that I just printed out too big, and it's just a journaling spot, and that flips up. And that's the back page. And here we've got another ephemera piece, and this is Imperial Shampoo, Roses and Lilies Toilet Soap, and 2 tags. And again, this is just an envelope pocket there. So that is that little journal. It was quite quick and easy for me to put together. Like I said, I will put the links below to where I got the kit, and to ARTYmaze, and also to my Etsy shop. If you're interested in buying it, it will all be below. So if you've got any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.